Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another makeup video. I slept with my makeup on last night, unfortunately, so I had to take it all off, but I don't think it all came off. So, in that case, I need to get it all off first of all. If you don't have all your mascara off especially, it'll just screw it up. So yeah. Today, I'm tired. Today, I don't know. I think that should do it. Yesterday I already had my face moisturized, but today I'm gonna do it. I have the same day cream. Same day cream, Restore and Protect. Just gonna my main dry spots are like right here, next to my mouth. I don't know why. I do not know. My forehead usually is greasy, so I don't need to put much lotion up there. And my nose is usually greasy too up here, but down here it gets dry, so gotta make sure to cover all bases here. I already wet my beauty blender, my new one that I'm gonna be using today. And today's just gonna be regular. I'm not gonna do different makeups. I'm just gonna do my regular makeup using my new makeup. So, goodness, the lighting is awful. Sorry. How about this? Oh my goodness, that would be crazy. How do I'm gonna try to set that up because I know it might be a little bit too much light, but at least it's more light, you know. I'm just gonna grab a few movies and set them up here. My VCRs of old Disney movies. Yep. So. This is like a blue light, it seems like. Spotlight is not on me. Okay, I don't know what's up. This. Okay, now I'm blind and I can't see, but we're gonna try to work with it. Yes, I'm wearing the same hoodie. I don't care, because I'm a savage. So, I'm gonna pump it on the back of my hand. 3 pumps. I don't know how much should be enough, but hopefully 3 pumps. So, yeah, here we go. This thing kind of went down a little bit, not a lot, but it's fine. I'm just gonna start at the bottom of my face like I usually do, because that's usually where all my pimples are, honestly, so. Oh. That was weird. These 3 pumps possibly will cover my whole face, but I don't know for sure. I might need to do more pumps just for my neck, because I don't want it to, I mean, the colors aren't that off, but still. It's really hard to stay in the light. It's kind of aggravating, actually. Sorry you can't see my forehead. I'll show you it when it is important, but right now it's not. Because I'm just trying to blend down here. I can't tell if that looks good or not. I really can't. The light is low-key distracting me. Or it's just really showing too much truth and it's hurting me. I really do need to do my eyebrows, but plucking them is painful and I have like way too many to pluck. So I need to get them waxed or threaded, but I don't have time for that because I just sleep all day. So I usually go on with the back end of the beauty blender to blend better because it doesn't have a bunch of makeup on it. So I feel like I also need to start narrowing my face, which sounds weird, but I've seen some YouTubers doing it and all their skin is like perfect. So I figured if I do it, then maybe my skin will be perfect. I mean, that is a long shot. So to cover my whole face and my neck, I needed about 5 pumps, which whatever. I wish I only needed 3, but unfortunately my face needs a lot of work. So now that I've covered everything up as much as I can, you could still see my pimple a little bit, which I hate so much. But we're gonna try to go on with some concealer and get that off, because no one likes that. Okay. Base is covered in foundation. Now I'm going to use this concealer, Master Conceal by Face Studio. I swore this was Maybelline. Who knows? In the color 30, which is light. I don't know how I want to do this, because usually it squeezes out way too much and then I end up looking white. So you can see I just put a little dot on there. I'm going to use it for this. And I'm just going to leave it on top of there. Not blend it in all the way and see what happens. So now I need to go on with the rest of the concealer. I'm just going to put it right on my face, because whatever. Oh, did you just see that? It's so hard to get out, oh my god. I feel like around my mouth is always dark, so I'm just gonna give myself a mustache, because why not? Okay, now we blend. I'm gonna do around my mouth first, so I don't know. I just feel like that's the smartest thing to do. Still gonna leave that there on my pimple, Like literally probably throughout the whole rest of my makeup. Just to hope that it does something. Or at least lightens the area so when I use maybe more foundation on it, it'll be gone, like covered. What the heck? A little bit on my forehead. I know that is not usually recommended. Well, Kylie Jenner doesn't do it, so. But, yeah. And then, like I said, back end of the Beauty Blender. Make sure you get it down. I look very dewy right now. That is ugly. I don't know why it always pretend like that. Maybe I have to blend up with this over here. I feel like the makeup causes more discoloration on my face, and I'm not understanding that because it's supposed to do the opposite. Not sure if it's because of the lighting, not sure if it's because I'm tripping right now or what. But just one more pimple on this, and I'm gonna leave it there also. That one is a lot more than I left on this one. I'll just put some more. And wipe some of this off, and maybe use some for over here. Maybe it's because I'm using the same beauty blender, and maybe you're not supposed to do that. But whatever. I thought it would be fine, so it should be. Okay, so now that we did all that stuff, I'm gonna do my, what's it called? Contour. Right there. And over here. Honestly, I realize, because I'm getting ready for work again, I realize my contour really doesn't stay throughout work. Which I don't really care, but it's just like, what's the point of putting it on? But I guess it still gives my face some color, so that's fine, whatever. Because if I do with no concealer, then I'll seriously look just white. Not that there's a problem being white, but I'll look like, pale. Or just like weird colored, like my face. Because when you put on all the foundation, it's literally covering all your natural color. So you have to put some of that back, not like make yourself darker, but just put back the color you took away to cover up all your imperfections selfishly. I'm speaking about myself here. And I also don't know what I'm talking about. So now that I did this, I think it's about time to get rid of that. And I'm going to use this beauty blender that has not had any foundation on it today. And it actually didn't work. It made it look worse, so thank you. So on that note, I need to go in with a different concealer because that one is ass. So here I have the Fit Me concealer, and I don't know, let's just see if that works, because God knows what will at this point. I'm gonna use my pinky, because fuck beauty blenders for this situation. I like beauty blenders, but not for meticulous situations like this. So if you just go over it lightly, whip off the edges, blend it in a little with your finger. Look at that. honestly, that did a pretty good job. So thank you, my pinky, for making me spend $20 on a beauty blender that can't do your job. Thank you. It's getting hot in here. It's probably because of friggin' flashlight and because this jacket. It's overheating me. This is a very thick jacket. So, now that I did that, I'm gonna finish contouring. Make sure I got all the spots that I want to. I usually contour like, I know it's annoying because we've all heard the Kardashians say it. I really like to contour like in a 3, you know, like, yeah, I know what a 3 looks like. A 3 looks like me, bitch. Okay, I think I'm done with the contour. I hope I am because I'm just bored. I'm bored of it, tired of it. So now I have to contour my nose, which is sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. So I guess we'll see how it goes today. Okay, I think that worked out pretty good. My nose looks somewhat snatched. More snatched than it did before, which was not snatched at all. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go on with the back end of this beauty blender and blend everything out, except avoiding my pimple because God knows I will just completely destroy it. But I'm looking at it and it looks shiny. And I don't know why. I think it's because I was digging my hands in my makeup bag and there's some sparkly stuff all at the bottom of it. So I think it got on my hand and then, yeah. No. I tried to put some foundation to maybe, I don't know. Honestly, this is the best it's going to get. Because things are going to touch it and it's going to end up coming out a little bit eventually. So I might as well cover it up as much as possible with foundation, making sure to secure the bag. There's a lot of noise outside. And I want nothing to do with it. Okay. Now that my pimple looks like shit and ass combined, I'm going to look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Why does my neck still look white as fuck? This is not okay. I'm not okay with this. My face, not okay. Gonna leave that there again because it does not know how to listen to directions. Now I can guess what all the sparkly stuff at the bottom of my bag is, and that is most likely blush that is broken, and is broken. Call me Kobe, bitch. Okay, this is it. I just had to wipe off the top with the makeup wipe because it was full of sparkly stuff, which is how I guessed that it was whatever. But anyways, this is my broken ass blush. Oh, you can see my phone. Okay. This is my broken ass blush. What I have to say about it is I need new blush. That's it. I forget how it broke. I forget why. But yeah. My mom just got back home. Don't know how I feel about it. Oh, oh no. That would be perfect. But it's impossible to achieve. I am blinded by the light. So I'm just gonna blend some more. Yep. Is that the same color? Oh no. There we go. Okay, now, my favorite part, mascara. It never makes you feel bad about yourself. It only improves you, so that's what I like about it. Mascara is a very meticulous thing to do. Ow, my butt. But if you don't have eyelash extensions, it is a very necessary step in all makeup routines. Some people use fake lashes. You will never catch me doing that because it's impossible, and I've tried. I've tried the nice luxury ones. I've tried the boof ones that are made for Halloween. Like, I've tried it all and just doesn't work. I can't get it right in the right spot to where it actually looks like my eyelashes. It's either halfway off my eyelashes or it's halfway up my eyelid. So, yeah. Also, make sure to do your bottom lashes. I know Kylie Jenner doesn't, but who says she's the beauty queen? Not me. Ow! Just touched my eyeball, literally. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just pretty hungry. So now I don't get a comment. That's fine. That is fine. Oh my goodness, my teeth looking cute. Okay. Now, usually I will put on highlighter, but my boyfriend doesn't like it, so I'm not gonna do it. Also, I need to wipe off the foundation from my lips. Just watch. Just see my lips now. See them? They look weird, big, but weird. Now, wait. Do you see this? gonna take some of the makeup off my upper lip around it because I really feel like it just makes it look worse than it is, honestly. Look, it's so dry. Or at least it makes it look dry. I don't know anymore. So, I think that's it for my work makeup look. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. That didn't work. Okay, let's try this.